I'm a bit late this afternoon, but better late than never, right? Down. It's beautiful. All right, let's see what's going on out here. I'm hoping that there are some big snapper in the shallows. That's all I'm going to target at the moment. I mean, while I'm traveling, I'm going to do some trolling because you never know what you're going to get. All right, let's get this show started. Get this sounder on. Got the sounder going, and now I'm tying this little number on. Good for tuna, little Rapala, and see how we go. This is for the big snapper. Usually I run a 5-inch. This is a 7-inch with a 5/0 hook, 1/4 ounce jig head, and the main game today is, can we find a snapper in the shallows that wants to eat this? That's the main game. All right, let's go. The wind's not too bad. That's good. See how we go. Heading out to this island, and I didn't want to get slowed down, but I'm thinking, oh wow, a bit rough. I'm thinking I'll drop this out, just do a little bit of a troll. 14 meters, so you never know your luck in a big ocean. This island looks pretty good. I just wound this one in, and I'm going to give this a go. This is this front side of this island here, 13 meters. Okay, guess this is us. Let's have a look at what we've got. 15 meters. Let's turn around. 18 meters, wow. Drops straight off here. We'll give this side of the island a go in the beginning, and see if there's anything around. Some big long casts. Ooh, what's that? Something coming up to have a look. Okay. Letting it sink. Yep, There we go. Oh, it's a good fish. Wow. Right in that front of that wash there. Oh. Should reverse out of there. Get myself out into some deeper water. Oh. Here we go. Pulled a snapper right off that little point. Feels decent. It hasn't gone for a big run or anything though. Let's have a look here. Oh, there we go. A bit more curry now. Oh, come on. Where is he? Oh, that's a good one. Nice snapper. Ooh. Ooh. Put him on the, oh, hooks pretty well. Okay. It's going forwards. Yep, that's a bit more control. Perfect. Ooh, good snapper. Alright, give me that. Oh, good snapper. Oh, nice one, mate. Oh, stay in the boat, stay in the boat. Oh, got the hook out nice and easy. Drifting towards the rocks though, so just concentrate on that. Away. Whoop. Kick forwards, kick forwards. Oh. That's a good dinner side snapper, that one. Oh, come on. Get back out over here. Perfect. Sick. Love that. There you go. Oh, come here. Come here. Beautiful. Beautiful eating side snapper, this one. Yum. No one's going to come home for dinner. Not too big. Just a good size. So, alright, I might look after this one and then get back out there. Wow, beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Alright, well, if there's one snapper in there, there might be two. How's this looking? That's still looking pretty cherry. Okay, drag's good. Let's give it another go. That went well. First little 20 minutes or so. Alright, let's see. Seem to be right on the front of that face. Let's see what we can do. You get a big one in there, you're gonna know it. 17 meters. Right in front of that face. Look at it. Sun's setting. Perfect time of day. Alright, I'll put us right in front of this rock and then use this reverse gear to try and see if I can. Ooh, what's that? Is that in reverse? Okay, there we go. There's reverse. Okay, try and keep myself away from the rocks. Okay, get that right in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh! place you want to get snagged. Oh, yep. Find this reverse. So there's obviously a decent school of, oh, snapper there. It's a little one. It's a little tacker. Gonna try and keep myself away. I'll just flip this into forwards and then steer out to sea a little. Get myself a glove. I don't want to scare you. Oh, there we go. The little one. Bit off that thing though. Ooh, got to get out of this zone. Let this one go. And I think I need to put a new lure on. How are we going? Battery on that one. Good. I just ran out of battery on this one. And back in this zone. Right. Seems to be a bit quiet now compared to what it was. But you never know, do you? These little snaps. So just a few more long casts. Trying to get it into the wash. Ooh. Drifts back along this shelf. Got to get in. Alright, I think it's time to head in. Nice bird. You know, it's getting dark and that was a fun little session. Just a quick one, but got a couple of snapper. It was good. One for dinner. See you next time.